Hello, Ms. Rosas.
Hello.
If you can just sit up a bit closer to the microphone and speak into the microphone. Would you please tell us your full name and spell your last name?
K. Rosas. The last name is Rosas.
Ms. Rosas, how old are you?
33. I'll be 34 tomorrow.
Okay. How long have you lived in the area, in this area?
23, 24 years.
24 years? Okay. And I want you to tell the jury, where were you employed back in September of 2023?
I was employed at Shell gas station over in Nokomis. The address is 1000 Extra Road, Nokomis.
In Nokomis?
Yeah, Shell gas station. 1000 Extra Road.
In what capacity did you work at the Shell station?
I was a manager.
Okay. And how long had you been the manager there at that?
14 years.
14? Mm-hmm. Okay. In addition to managing the store, did you also sometimes jump on the, take money from customers and work the registers?
Yes.
Okay. On that particular morning, did there come a time when you were working the registers at the Shell station?
Yes, especially at 7 o'clock in the morning, between 6:30, 7 o'clock, because there was shift change.
Okay, so tell the jury what's going on at that Shell station between 6:30 and 7:30 in the morning.
People come in, grab coffee, donuts, breakfast, food. People walk in and out. It was a really busy store back then.
Okay. Is there a lot of foot traffic at the Shell station because of construction workers coming in and a lot of construction going on in that area?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. How many other people were on registers that morning, if you remember?
One.
Thank you. One in addition to you?
Yes.
Okay. Now, did you have an opportunity to review the video footage from the Shell station?
Yes.
When did you review that, Ms. Rosas?
I reviewed, there was a lot of people coming in and coming out.
No. I mean, did you have a chance to look at the video footage recently?
Yes.
Okay, when was that?
Right now.
Just today?
Yeah, yesterday.
Just
but I remember everything that happened that day.
Okay.
Like it was yesterday.
Okay, good. So you have a very good memory?
Yeah.
Okay. Has your family teased you about that?
A little bit.
A little bit? Okay. Are you nervous?
I'm actually, yeah.
Okay, you're doing fine. Just talk to me like I'm your friend, okay?
Okay.
All right. Okay, so you had an opportunity to look at the video footage from the Shell station, and did you recognize that as the interior of the Shell station where you were the manager?
Yes.
And did you recognize yourself in some of the footage
Yes.
as well? Okay. The Shell video that you reviewed this morning, is it a true and accurate depiction of what took place on September 1st of 2023 at your store?
Yes.
Okay. Your Honor, I'm now offering State's Exhibit number 5 into evidence.
No legal objection. No objection, Judge. All right, number 5, you said?
Yes, sir.
All right, number 5 will be admitted into evidence, and you may publish it at your leisure.
Thank you, Your Honor. Ms. Rosas, I'm going to put that on the screen behind you.
Okay.
And I'm going to use this laser pointer, and if I ask you to point something out, can you just press that little red button?
Okay.
Right there at the screen? Okay. You have to multitask. You have to speak into the microphone while you're turning your head to look at the videos.
Okay.
Just be cognizant of that.
Okay.
Thank you. So, Ms. Rosas, what are we looking at right now? I'm going to stop the video, and I want you to point out some of the features of the store. So as we look at the far, well, it would be my left, at the far left of the screen, can you please point out the front, or the doorway to the Shell station?
Right there?
Yes.
That one?
Yes.
Right there.
All right. Is that the main entrance to the shell station?
No, that's the back.
The back door?
Yes.
Okay. From this angle, are you able to point out to the jury members where the actual front door of the shell station is?
Right on this side right here, like right next to the machine right there, the lotto machine right there.
Okay, so now that we're in that area of the screen, can you show the members of the jury where where the registers are?
That one was register 1 where I was, and this is register 2.
Okay. Who is the person that's wearing the white hat and the red shirt?
That's me.
Okay, all right. So we're going to continue now. And as we're looking at the front door, I'm sorry, the back door that you pointed out to us just a few minutes ago, put your laser pointer out at that person. Okay, and do you recognize that person?
Yes.
Now, what area is that person walking to?
The coolers.
Is this a different camera angle showing that same person that just walked in the back door?
Yes.
When you say cooler, what items for purchase are in that cooler?
On the back coolers right there, there were that was the beer coolers. And then on this angle right here, on the back right here, there were Coke products, Pepsi products, iced tea, sweet teas, like right here where he's walking right now, where he's opening the door. That was an iced tea cooler.
Iced tea?
Yes, where all the Lipton tea, Pure Leaf, and everything was.
Now, as you watch the person that...
And like you see, he's getting a Pure Leaf tea, extra sweet.
Are you able to recognize that product?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay, so now we're back at a different angle, and show us where that person is.
He's right here, right behind the Red Bull cooler.
Okay, is he standing in line with the other men?
Yes.
Waiting to be helped?
Yes.
At the register. At that point, did you notice anything unusual about him?
I noticed at that point, no.
Okay.
He's behind the other guy in the back with the hat. There he goes.
All right. Now, did you summon him over to your register, or why did he walk over?
Yeah, I call him up.
Okay.
That was my beer guy walking out, so I call him up.
Okay. All right. So, what did you notice about the defendant once he came closer to you and walked up to your register? Can you describe what you saw?
Yeah, I saw blood on his hands, and I saw dirt on his hands. And for me, and what I know for Sarasota County, you're not allowed to start working on landscaping, construction, or anything but until 8 o'clock.
Relevance? Overruled.
You're not allowed to work until 8 o'clock in the morning because there's people living around. That's what I know.
Okay. So based upon your experience, you know that landscapers don't begin work until later in the morning because of the noise ordinance.
Yes.
Okay. All right. What else did you notice about the defendant, aside from blood on his hands and being
His look.
dirty? His what?
His look, how he looked, like when I approached him, customer service is always good morning, how are you? He didn't answer back. When I thought, he speaks Spanish, I kind of said it in Spanish too. There was no answer. He was always looking down. And when he handed me the money, it was kind of nervous.
Okay. Right. Let's continue for a minute.
And he paid me with a $50 bill.
All right. Now, what are you doing there?
Checking the bill.
Okay. What kind of bill did he give you?
A $50 bill.
All right. And why is it important to check $50 bills?
Because sometimes they can be fake.
Thank you. Now I'm going to draw your attention to his shirt, Miss Rosas. Are you able to tell us anything distinctive that you remember about that shirt?
It was dirty.
Dirty.
Completely dirty, yeah.
All right, thank you. Thank you, Ms. Rosas. Now, did there come a time when law enforcement came to the Shell station that morning?
Yes. Like 2 minutes after he left.
All right, so almost immediately.
Yes.
The defendant walking out that door. And did you eventually speak to law enforcement that morning?
Yes, I did. I was at the office getting change because, like I say, it's the end of the night shift. So I have to go grab change for the rest of the day. And when they came in, they were asking if I see who he was, and yeah.
And were you able to explain to law enforcement, what you remembered about the events of that morning that were?
They came in and they asked me if I have seen a short guy, and I
Have a what? I'm sorry.
if I have seen a short guy.
Short guy.
Yeah, and I told them, you know how many short guys are here? Yeah. So I need a little bit more description. When they
Yes.
became and they told me the description that he was, what was he wearing? I told them, yes, I sold them an iced tea.
Okay. And so you were able to verify the
Yes.
description of that person?
Yes.
All right. Thank you. May I have a moment, please?
You may.
Thank you so much, Ms. Rosas. I have nothing further.
Okay.
You have to stay there. The defense may have some questions for you.
Okay.
No questions, John. All right, you may step down now. Please call your next witness.
The state would call Detective Cade Breyer.